Hi, I am going to show you how to make a conference self-reflection presentation. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get into the Google Drive and you're going to find the documents. So it will be called this, and you should be able to find it if you click on Shared with Me. So you open the presentation, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to File, Make a Copy, and then you are going to rename it with your name. And you can see now that you have a copy and it has your name, so don't use the original one. So you put your first name here, your teacher name, and the date. And then you delete everything you don't need. And you can come down to the next slide. And this is the instructions. So we made the file, make a copy. So now what you're going to do is you're going to fill out every single text box and image box in the slideshow, and I'll show you how to do that. Make sure that you only write about school, use complete sentences, and edit your work because your families will be seeing the presentation. After you have added all the content, you may then change the font and the background design of your slides. Be sure to delete this slide after you finish your presentation. All right, so you're going to go to your first slide and you are going to finish the sentence. So it says, I am really good at, and you are going to want to make sure something about school. So something that a student could write is, I'm really good at writing complete sentences and checking my work finished. And then you would delete all the other dots. So that would be one example of something that you can write. I would also add an example. For example, when I had to write an essay, I went back and made sure I spelled everything correct. And if it doesn't fit on the page, you can change the font a little bit. And then adjust it when you're done. So now if you want to find a picture of something to represent what you wrote, or you can actually take a picture of the essay that you made, you can put it in right here. So I'll show you an example of how you would do that. So the easiest way to do an image would be to just delete the box and then go to Insert Image, and there's options. You can upload an image, you can search the internet for an image, you can pick an image from your Google Drive, from your photos, from a website, or from the camera. So I'm going to show you how to find one from the camera. So if you actually want to take a picture of something and put it on your presentation, you would pick Camera, and then Allow, and then if your camera has a webcam, you would just hold it up and take a picture here. But I am actually using my webcam, so I won't be able to do that. So now you would click Insert, and then the picture would go right here. Obviously, that we don't want to put that picture in. The other thing you can do is you can insert an image from the web. So if you wanted to find a picture of an essay, you could just type it in, and then click on Insert. And then the essay would go here. It would be better to take a picture of your own and put it here. But that's just an example of something you can do. So after you're done with every slide where you've written something, and pictures are optional. You could just delete the picture and use the one that I already have in there. So go through and finish every sentence with a detail. And after you're all finished, you would delete this slide. And then you can change the background colors if you want. Make sure that you're able to read them. Make sure your font is big enough that you are able to see it. You can change the font style if you want at the very end, but just make sure all the fonts are easy to read and exactly the same.